Okay, let us go through this question. Question number 17. Calculate the labor cost, labor rate, and labor efficiency variance. Okay. Standard hours for 4 units. Okay, fine. So this is my standard output era. Standard output is 4. And this 24 hours is my standard hours. SH. Next, standard rate कितना है? 18 rupees per unit. ओके, जबकि ये होना चाहिए पर आवर, बिकॉज हम क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं? वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग लेबर, राइट? सो लेबर के लिए इट कैन नॉट बी पर यूनिट ना, इट हैज टू बी पर आवर बेसिस, राइट? देन नेक्स्ट इज एक्चुअल प्रोडक्शन. दिस इज माय AO, this is my AH, actual hours, and this is my actual rate. See, this is per hour, so obviously this standard rate also should be in per hour, है ना? Because we are doing standard costing, the comparison base has to be same. Am I clear with the question? Question समझ में आया? So start with step 1. What is step 1? We always check standard output should be equal or not. Okay, so standard output कितना है? 4. Actual output कितना है? 1800. ओके, सो ये अनइक्वल है. अनइक्वल है तो क्या करना है? मेक इट इक्वल. सो रिवाइज द स्टैंडर्ड्स. What do you mean by revising the standards? We mean that we have to make standard output and actual output equal. Simple as that. Okay. Fine. ये हो गया. Next, what we will make? We will make a labor cost statement. ठीक है. So right here, labor cost statement. Fine. First is the labor type. Then is given standards. Then is revised standards. Then is actuals. Okay. Given standard कितना है? 4 units. Revised standards कितना है? 1800. Actuals is how much? 1800. ठीक है. Okay. Quantity, sorry, not quantity, labor, sorry. Standard as you can write like this. Then you can write standard rate. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, चलेगा. ठीक है. Amount. Standard as, या revised standard as, standard rate, so that it becomes clear then when you're solving. Actual as, actual rate, and amount. Okay. स्टैंडर्ड रेट भी लिख सकते हो और सिर्फ रेट भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. ओके, सो लेबर टाइप एक ही है, सो आई विल जस्ट राइट लेबर 1. 4 यूनिट्स के लिए इट टेक्स 24 आवर्स. स्टैंडर्ड रेट इज़ 18 रुपीज़ पर यूनिट. वो नहीं चाहिए. हाँ, एक्चुअल्स कितना है? 10,503.1. सी 10,500 3.10. Okay, multiply 10,500 into 3.1. 32,550. 32,550. ओके, फाइन. अब हम निकालेंगे स्टैंडर्ड रेट. ओके, तो लेट अस डू दैट वर्किंग नोट. वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1, calculation of standard rate per hour. This is very important. Standard output and what is that? Hours. Standard hours. ठीक है, 4 यूनिट बनाने के लिए इट टेक्स 24 आवर्स. तो 1 यूनिट बनाने के लिए कितना? ओके, तो 24 डिवाइड बाई 4 दैट मेक्स इट टू 6 आवर्स. तो 1 यूनिट बनाने के लिए लगता है 6 घंटा. 6. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट एंड रेट. ठीक है, how much is 1 unit in the question? 18 rupees. Okay, okay, so we'll take it like this. Yeah, 1 यूनिट बनाने के लिए इट टेक्स 6 आवर्स और 1 यूनिट का रेट कितना है? 18 रुपीज़. तो 1 घंटे का कितना? 18 divided by 6, 3 rupees per hour is my answer. Standard rate is how much? 3 rupees. So I'm writing it here. Wait, I'll use some other color. Yeah. So my answer is 3 rupees. ठीक है, I'm writing it here, 3 rupees. Working note number 1. समझ में आया? Is this clear to everyone? 3 rupees कैसे आया? Is it clear? Then working note number 2. Revise your standards. Okay? निकिता, ध्यान दो. स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट विथ स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स. 4 यूनिट बनाने के लिए यू टेक 24 आवर्स. सो 1 यूनिट बनाने के लिए कितना? वाई 1 यूनिट? बिकॉज ये जो 18 रुपीज़ है ये पर यूनिट का रेट है. इसके लिए मुझे पहले तो 1 यूनिट बनाने को कितना घंटा लगता है वो फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो मेरे को मिला 6 आवर्स. 1 यूनिट बनाने के लिए 6 घंटे लगते हैं. ठीक है, 1 यूनिट बनाने को 6 घंटा लगता है और 1 यूनिट का मैं 18 रुपया दे रही हूँ. तो आई कैन कैलकुलेट फॉर 1 आवर. तो 1 घंटे का कितना? सो दैट मीन्स 1 घंटे का मैं 3 रुपया दे रही हूँ. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग निकिता? नाउ रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड्स. ओके फाइन, ग्रेट. अभी रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड्स में क्या है? स्टैंडर्ड आउटपुट एंड स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स. ठीक है, 4 यूनिट बनाने के लिए 24 आवर्स. सो आपका रिवाइज स्टैंडर्ड्स कितना है अभी? 1800. 1800 यूनिट्स बनाने के लिए कितना? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो 1800 into 24 divide by 4. So 10,800. Okay, my answer is 10,800. Okay, yeah. So right here, 10,000 800. Working note number 2. Okay. Rate will not change. 3 rupees to 10,800 into 3. 32,400. So right here 32,400. That's it. And now total it. 10,800, 32,400, 10,500, and 32,550. Okay. Just highlight. This is my, yeah, standard hours. टोटल है मेरा ये. This is called total standard hours. This is called total actual hours. This is called total standard cost. This is called total actual cost. Is this first step clear to everyone? This completes step 1. समझ में आया सबके step 1? Once this is done, be double sure about this, okay? Then only you move on to the second step. क्योंकि अगर ये wrong हुआ तो step 2 तो automatically wrong हो जाएगा. Okay? And now start with your step 2, that is calculation of your formulas. Step 2, calculation of formulas. Okay. First, labor cost variance is equal to, yeah, total standard cost minus total actual cost. So 32,400 minus 32,550. 32,400 minus 32,550. Okay. So my answer is 150A, adverse. Next, labor rate variance is equal to standard rate minus actual rate into actual hours. Standard rate अभी हमको मिला 3 rupees, actual rate is 3.1, and actual hours is how much? 10,500. So 10,500. Okay. So 3 minus 3.10 into 10,500. So 1050 adverse. Next, labor time variance. Yeah, standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate. Okay, standard hours अभी हमने calculate किए. Standard hours 10,800. Actual hours is 10,500, and actual rate we just calculated 3. Okay, so 10,800 minus 10,500 into 3. So 900 favorable. Okay, लेबर मिक्स वैरिएंस, लेबर आइडल टाइम वैरिएंस इस सब में पॉसिबल नहीं है. हम डायरेक्ट निकालेंगे लेबर एफिशिएंसी वैरिएंस. Total standard hours minus total actual hours into average standard rate. So 10,800 total, 10,500 total, मल्टीप्लाइड विद एवरेज स्टैंडर्ड रेट. एवरेज स्टैंडर्ड रेट कैसे निकलता है? टोटल स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स डिवाइडेड बाय स्टैंडर्ड टोटल स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स. तो 32,400 divided by 10,800, like this. Okay, 32,400 divided by 10,800. Solve this. So 10,800 minus 10,500 into 32,400 divided by 10,800. So 900 F. Okay. Then step 3, verify your answer. Step 3 is verification. First step is that your labor cost variance should be equal to labor rate variance and labor time variance. Let me check. Labor rate variance कितना है? 1050 plus labor time variance is 900 F. Minus plus is minus. ठीक है. So 1050 minus 900 कितना हुआ? 150 A. 150 A बराबर. It matches my answer. Okay. So 150 A. So my left hand side is equal to my right hand side. Next, labor time variance is equal to labor idle time variance plus labor mix variance plus labor efficiency variance. ओके, ये दोनों तो नहीं है सम में. लेबर एफिशिएंसी कितना है? 900 एफ. और लेबर टाइम भी कितना है? 900 एफ. दे बोथ आर इक्वल. सी. ओके, तो सम इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. सम समझ में आया? ओके, ग्रेट. Everyone has noted down the question and the sum as well. Okay, now let us come to this question. ठीक है, इसमें क्या है? In this question there is a combination of labor and material both. ठीक है, so see, calculate material and labor. So standard output is given 10 units, actual output is given 12,500. This is actual output. ठीक है, स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी दिया है 60 kgs, स्टैंडर्ड रेट दिया है 4 रुपीज़ पर kg, स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स दिया है 40 आवर्स, स्टैंडर्ड रेट पर आवर दिया है 4 रुपीज़ पर आवर. एक्चुअल मटेरियल प्राइस, दिस इज एक्चुअल रेट, रॉ मटेरियल रेट. मटेरियल यूज ड्यूरिंग द मंथ, दिस इज एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी. डायरेक्ट लेबर आज वर्कड, दिस इज एक्चुअल आवर्स. एंड एक्चुअल वेजेस पेड दिया ₹1,68,000. ठीक है. ओके, सो स्टेप्स तो चेंज नहीं होंगे, स्टेप तो सेम रहेगा. तो स्टार्ट. सी हाउ टू सॉल्व बोथ द, आई मीन when both material and labor variance is asked. Write down standard output 10 units, actual output 12,500 units. Obviously they are unequal. Revise the standards. Standard output equal to actual output equal to 12,500 units. Okay. Then, now see how you will make the statement, students. ध्यान से देखो how the statement will be done. Now just see how I'm making it. Yeah. पहला रॉ मटेरियल है तो रॉ मटेरियल टाइप. ठीक है. Then you have your given standards, that is standard output, which is 10. Then you have your revised standards, which is 12,500. And then you have your actuals, 12,500. ठीक है. Okay. Now see what am I doing. We will be combining the steps. Obviously we will not be writing it separately to waste time. हम लोग time save करेंगे. तो standard quantity you can write SQ, standard rate you can write SR. Okay, like this. Same standard quantity SR and amount. Same AQ, standard quantity AR, actual quantity, standard rate, sorry, actual rate and amount. Okay. This is done. Yeah. Okay. Now raw material, huh? Yeah. So 10 units पे कितना है? 60 kgs and 4 rupees per kg. 60 kgs and 4 rupees per kg. So this becomes 240. Yeah. Actual quantity कितना है raw material का? 78,000. Okay, so right here 78,000 kgs. और इसका actual rate कितना है raw material का? 4 rupees 50 पैसा. So right here 4.5. ठीक है. Once this is done, yeah, just take the total of it. Correct. ये हो गया. हाँ. नेक्स्ट वी नो हमें क्या चाहिए? लेबर, है ना. सो लेबर के लिए व्हाट हेडिंग्स डू वी नीड? बाकी का हेडिंग्स इज सेम. करेक्ट ना. सी दिस हेडिंग विल नॉट चेंज फॉर लेबर, इवन दिस विल नॉट चेंज, इवन दिस हेडिंग विल नॉट चेंज. बराबर. करेक्ट. ओके, दीज हेडिंग्स विल नॉट चेंज फॉर लेबर. Okay, so see what am I doing? Next I'm directly writing here, write total here, total. Just write here the total. Okay, and start with SH SR amount. SH SR amount. AH AR amount. Okay, like this. Okay, write here about labor. ठीक है. So labor का standard hours is how much? 10 units. 10 units का 40 hours and 4 rupees. Okay, so write here 40, write here 4. So this is 160. Okay, next labor का how much it is? 48 hours, 48,000 hours and 1,68,000. So write here 48,000 hours and 1,68,000. ओके, तो अभी आपको क्या मिलेगा? रेट मिलेगा. ओके, ये दोनों को डिवाइड करो. डिवाइड, you will get this answer. 1,68,000 divided by 48,000. 3.5 is my answer. Actual rate. समझा? How to get this 3.5? Okay? Total this. Yeah. Revise your standards. Do the working note. Yeah. Working note number 1. Revised standards. Okay. Yeah. 10 units का 60. Standard output, standard quantity. 10 units का 60 kgs. So 12,500 का कितना? Cross multiply. 12,500 into 60 divided by 10. 75,000 is the answer. 75,000. Okay, this is for what? This is for material. Okay, similarly calculate for labor. Okay, standard output, standard hours. Standard output is how much? 10 units का 40 hours. So 12,500 units का कितना? Okay, so 12,500 into 40 divided by 10. So my answer is 50,000. So right here 75,000 and 50,000. We got this answer from the working note. Okay, rates will not change. 4 rupees 4. Okay, so 75,000 into 4, 3 lakhs, and 50,000 into 4 is 2 lakhs. 78,000 into 4.5 is 3,51,000. Okay, that's it. Do the totals. 75,000 and 3 lakhs. 78,000 and 3,51,000. 1,68,000, 48,000, 2 lakhs and 50,000. Okay, so this is my total standard quantity This is my total actual quantity. Okay. This is my total standard cost for material, total actual cost for material. And this is for labor, 50,000, 2 lakhs, 48,000, 1 lakh 68, like this. Clear? समझ में आया? So like this you can save your time. You have to just combine the labor, material and labor cost statement. So just write material and labor cost statement. Then we need to solve the second step, step 2. समझ में आया everyone? Four into, sorry, not into, minus 4 minus 4.5 into 78,000. And here it will be labor में 4 minus 3.5 into 48,000. 4 minus 3.5 into 48,000. Okay, solve this. 4 minus 4.5 into 78 is how much? 39. Then 4 minus 3.5 into 48. 24. This is F, favorable. Next, third one. Material usage variance. Standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard rate. And this is labor time variance. Same formula. Standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate. Okay. Standard quantity. $75 and $78. So this is 12,000 A. Fifty minus 48 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. So this is 8,000, but this is favorable F. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? सॉल्व मटेरियल मिक्स नॉट पॉसिबल, लेबर मिक्स नॉट पॉसिबल, लेबर आइडल टाइम नॉट पॉसिबल. So the last one is possible. Okay, and that is material yield variance. Total standard quantity minus total actual quantity into average standard rate. इधर क्या आएगा? लेबर एफिशिएंसी variance. Total same formula, only quantity will be replaced with hours. Total actual hours into average standard rate. Okay, so total standard quantity is how much? 75. Total actual quantity is how much? 78 kgs. I mean 78,000 kgs into average standard rate. So that comes to total standard cost divided by total standard quantity. That is 3 lakhs divided by 75,000. Okay, you can do it directly also. 3 lakhs divided by 75,000. 3 lakhs divided by 75,000. 3 lakhs divided by, yeah, just a minute. Okay, similarly, this side it will be 50,000 minus 48 into average standard rate. So total standard cost of labor 2 lakhs divided by 50,000 hours. $75,000 minus 78,000 into 3 lakhs divided by 75,000. My answer is 12,000. Solve this. 50,000 minus 48,000 into 2 lakhs divided by 50,000. 8,000 F. Okay. Is it clear till here to everyone? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Okay. So this will actually give you a clear picture of between material and labor. You can see how similar they are. Instead of quantity, we are replacing it with hours. Okay. In the same way, you will be, yeah, verifying it. Okay. So next will be step 3. We will be verifying our answer. Verification. Okay. So verification mein what are you gonna check? तो ये तो था step 2, calculation of formulas. Okay. And now come to verification. Verification, I'm going to first verify my material variance. Material cost variance is equal to material rate variance plus material usage variance. Material rate is how much? Let us check. 39,000 A and usage is 12,000 A. So 39,000 A and 12,000 A. Minus is plus. तो 39,000 plus 12,000 कितना हो जाएगा? 51,000 A. Let us check. Our material cost variance has to be same. Yeah, see, material cost variance answer is 51,000. Okay, that means our answer is correct. Next, material usage variance is equal to material mix plus material yield. मटेरियल मिक्स तो नहीं है सिलेबस में और इस सब में सॉल्व भी नहीं हो सकता. Material yield is 12,000 A and material usage is also 12,000 A. So my LHS is equal to my RHS. Okay. Similarly, do it for labor. Labor cost variance is equal to labor rate plus labor time. Okay. Labor rate variance is how much? 24,000 F and usage time is 8,000 F. So 24,000 F and 8,000 F. So 24 plus 8 is how much? 32. So 32,000 F. Let us check if it is same. Yeah, see, labor cost variance is 32,000 F. So our answer is correct. Next, labor efficiency variance is equal to labor idle time variance plus labor mix variance plus labor time variance. Labor idle time is not given in the sum. Labor mix is not possible plus not given also. And labor time is 8,000 F and so is labor efficiency variance. So my LHS is equal to my RHS. Okay. So is the question clear to everyone? समझ में आया?
Okay, fine.